How to get student discounts on Singapore Airlines. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to go to the Singapore Airlines official website, and then you can see there's a search option here. You just have to simply type student privileges here, privileges, and you just have to simply go to the student privileges page, and here you can see, to be eligible, you must be a KrisFlyer member currently enrolled at an eligible college or university. All students' fare tickets have a maximum staying period of 12 months, and you can save on selected fare types. Enjoy 10% savings with exclusive student fares on all economy class fare types, and increased checked baggage allowance economy classes and premium economy class, and complimentary booking change, as you can see here. So first of all, here's how you can start enjoying your student privileges. You have to just firstly join KrisFlyer. So if you have to first click on sign up button from here, and then you have to fill up with your credentials, these forms. As you can see, you just have to select the title and your name given as passport, as in passport, and if you have to provide your full name, then date of birth, your contact information like email address, then phone number and your mailing address, country, state, and after that you have to create a password and confirm password, and then you have to check I want to receive news and promotion. You can also uncheck this one, and you can also do that if you are referred to KrisFlyer by a friend. You can just add their name or membership number, and after that you have to click on by submitting my information I acknowledge and accept the terms and Singapore Airlines, and you have to right click on it, and then you have to fill up this captcha and click on continue, and then follow the instructions. And after that you have to verify your student status. Like if you signed up for a KrisPlayer membership using the button above, you will be asked to verify your student status after registration. If you already have a KrisFlyer account, log in and select the button below to get verified. So after that you have to click on verify student status fares, and you have to log into your KrisFlyer account and giving the password and the email or KrisFlyer number, and after that you have to press login, and then you have to make your bookings. To enjoy your privileges, always search for fares through your dedicated student page. You must be logged in with a verified student status. So search student pages, then you have to just log into your KrisFlyer account, and after that you can just select your air ticket from there and enjoy the student privilege. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.